Alright guys, welcome back to Performance RC, also TMR Performance. Go support TMR Performance. Alan, you're the man. Just want to do a quick update video of the 32. This is the 32, just a top end port by TMR. Has the V1 or the V2 pipe from Roven, a velocity stack, and that's about it done to this. I was over at TMR the other day getting a good tune on it. I'm going to post a couple running vids of this after this little talk over, so make sure you stay tuned to that. But yeah, in the video we were running it, the RPMs were so much on this, we ended up damaging the spur. The set screw ended up flying out and then lodged itself into the spur gear. It still runs. We were still running it. We were going to run it till it dies, but it just dug itself even deeper into it. So we had some time trying to pull it out, but we got it out. So I'm still going to run it until the spur gear dies. But in the video, you're going to see it just runs out of gears. This is gearing of 5420. And it has so much more potential. It's just running out of gears. So yeah, in the video you're gonna see it just dies of RPM right at the top end, and I'm barely flicking the throttle. But pretty cool mods on this 32. Has the whole setup in the back, the symmetrical steering. I just set that up the other day. Highly recommend this. This is so much better than the stock Baja steering. I love this type of setup here. But yeah, this was just a fun little Baja. This thing is just a beast. I mean, the 32 is awesome, and then what Alan did to it, he just woke this engine up. This is a badass engine now. But yeah, I just want to do this quick little voiceover before I put some running clips of us in the field getting this thing tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the video of the running video. Also, more to come. This is the 27, also done by TMR Alan. I'm just waiting on some parts to get this running back up. We're changing out the clutch and the gearing so we can accept some different gearing for that also. And yeah, I got another box here to be opened up soon, and just very busy, not enough time throughout the day. Then I'm going to work for 6 days, and I just pretty much have can't be down here working on 6 days since I'll be at work. But yeah, it gives me something to look forward to when I get home. So I just want to give a shout out to Jeff. You're the man, Jeff, Eastside RC. Go check him out. I'm sure you're already subscribed to him. And then Alan from TMR. Go support TMR Performance. He seriously knows what he's doing. He is so knowledgeable in small engines. I trust him 100%. So hope you enjoyed this little update video. Stick around for the running vids. See you later. He's spinning bigger gears.